Oh my god. Oh my god.
Oh my god!
I'll kill him. Right these in the hole.
Alright, what's up guys? We're back for another one. This morning we're up in hunting with Nick Costas, Thunderbird Outfitters. Me and Jordan up here filming with him for a couple days. And we dang near just flew right into winter. There's a huge cold front coming across Canada here. And it is cold this morning. Got a little snow coming, you might be able to see it. It's like 25 degrees right now, but the guys were scouting last night. Me and Jordan rolled into town, and looks like we're hunting some field ducks and I think some snows too. So looking forward to it. We always love hunting with these guys. They got a very solid crew. They're our good buddies, and we'll see if we can't smash some ducks and snows this morning. It should be pretty dang good.
So we just finished yesterday with clients, and we're just doing a little buddy hunting with some friends, and obviously dive bomb guys, and we're shooting some snows and ducks today. We got some weather rolling in. First time we've gotten any weather this whole season. It's like 0 degrees Celsius, so 32 Fahrenheit, and we've got a north wind and a little precipitation. It's supposed to snow a little bit today and tomorrow. So hunting layouts, dive bomb full bodies, mojos, and see what we can do. I think it's gonna be fun. It's been stale and no wind for a couple days, so we're all excited, but it'll be fun.
Whoa. First of the morning.
Nice little duck wad to start her off. Love me some ducks.
Double tap.
I couldn't let him get out, Drew. Couple 2 ducks right on the deck. Real double tapper.
Oh. Dude.
Look again.
You just clicked again.
Yeah. I was on a...
Dude, this guy came out of nowhere. I was looking at that snows and then the ducks just came.
Yeah. I was staring up and he's like, ducks on the left.
I was like, hey, what?
Dumped in.
Here.
These two just getting down. Ooh. Oh, get the one. Whoa!
Damn, that thing centered up so good, dude.
Dude, those ones drop.
Damn.
Oh, look at that one. Look at the. You just hit that backflip over there.
Side. That was dirty.
That was pretty dirty.
That one's dead.
Damn, son. What?
I like when those are at that distance. The old full choke's opening up.
Dang.
Oh, look at that far one. That was deep.
That was pretty
Dude,
dirty.
That was nasty. I like pulled up, boom, dead, boom, dead. I couldn't even shoot one.
Come here. Here.
We got some killers in the blind today, boys.
Yo. Dude, that was a big old wad of ducks just circling it, circling it, circling.
Circling, finally did it up and just gave him the 1-2 punch.
Yo. You thinking so far?
Huh?
What are you thinking so far?
It's been good. It's fun. We didn't shoot a ton of ducks this year, so it's fun to actually get them. Don't you think so, Drew?
Think so?
Actually get some ducks.
Yeah, it's good. Nice hand here. Shot this one.
Picked her right out.
Hunter, what do you think?
Pretty alright.
Go.
Some green heads.
Yeah, this is also. Get him.
Go. Whoa, we went down.
Another one out front there. Pull back.
Shot a pintail wedge.
A pintail wedge.
Shot across there.
That'd be a nasty cross of pintail and a wedge.
I just seen one sprig. I missed him twice and then got him at like 70.
Judy, you see the wedge, boy? I didn't shoot on that go. Damn, got us a wedge. Hell yeah.
Ooh. Good little swing.
Dude, I pulled up and I didn't even have shells in. Just an
Damn it.
unloaded gun. I was like, gosh dang it.
There's so many drakes in that bunch. We killed like 6 or 7 drakes right there.
Yeah, there's a lot of drakes in there.
These are good ducks.
Oh, heck yeah, they are.
Alright, dude, we smashing ducks this morning. We had a couple good snow groups come in, laid the hammer on those, but it's been just a duck show. Shooting lots of nice greenheads this morning,
big
man.
boys.
Some big greenheads, big groups. Circling a couple times and they do the final pass just right in the center. And we got some shooters out today, dude. Buddy hunting with these guys. We kind of be mashing on them. It's been fun.
Oh, yeah.
You're in the
So-
game, Nick. You're back, baby.
Nick is back in the game, so Jordan can shoot. So Asher, just let you know, still got it. All right.
It looks like it's about 3 months old.
Oh my gosh.
It came out of damn nowhere and just
That was wild.
looking like you did 4 years ago.
All right, we got Jordan on the gun.
It was, hey, I mowed one.
You at least shot one?
Yeah.
Yeah?
It's come for my job
I
now.
shot two. All right, so we just wrapped her up, called her a hunt. Awesome hunt, good duck action. A few good groups of snows. Threw out a snow DB full body snow spread with a few duck silos out, the M1s, and just vibing with the boys. That was an awesome hunt. First day here with Thunderbird, and we had some pretty good big spins of mallards. I got some shooting in, Jordan got a little bit of shooting in. That was a good time. So we're just wrapping it up, getting some pictures, and we got 2 more days with Thunderbird here, and see if we can't make her happen for the next couple days. So we just scrambled out for an evening hunt on some snows, set up a little dive bomb snow full body spread. The boys are hyped. There's like 7 of us. We're buddy hunting. The snows are flying. We're hitting an afternoon evening shoot. It should be pretty good with Nick and the boys. Looking forward to this. They're flying heavy. I think we'll get them pretty good tonight. It should be pretty awesome.
You want to shoot this? Test it. That one you-
Yeah, I'll shoot.
Oh, got that last one. I saw that. Dude,
That was
dirty.
disgusting. That was a good spin right there. Sitting here for like maybe 10 minutes and just,
They come back around.
gosh dang, that was crazy, dude.
Single wants it. Dude, this one single really wants it. In the decoys. Landed. Oh yeah, here we go. Here we go. There we go.
Shoot him!
Oh, get that one. Oh, smoke. Dude, did you hit another Khabib?
You bet, bud.
Oh,
Did you shoot that like that?
there's one over Nick and
Hey, here they come back, here they come back. I would have broke my arm.
I was like, Nick, watch you. Yo, dude, Nick just ducks.
Dude, that was hilarious.
Holy shit, dude, that was freaking funny, dude.
Switch guns for one, he gives the gun back, 1 shell in it. I'm like, all right.
Oh, that's funny.
God, that was funny. Here.
Dude, it's the biggest one. Holy
Alright, get him.
Yo. Holy.
Wow, that was gross.
Dude, that was nasty. Holy. Oh, that was unreal, dude. That was nuts.
That was unreal.
Oh,
Just let him have it.
Oh yeah. Dude. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Oh my gosh, dude. That was a spin, son. That was insane.
That was wild.
There must have been 25 or 30 on the ground.
Dude.
Holy dang. Oh, that was disgusting, dude.
That was disgusting. Just straight wiping.
That one's going down. Kill it.
Oh man, my blind!
Whoa! Dude, do we take the 3-pack? They're doing it so good. Oh, Judy! Yo!
I think that was all me on that one, dog.
I saw you double for
Dude,
sure.
just went straight Brady mode on that 3-pack, dude.
Just Brady mode. Heck yeah. That was
sick.
dude.
Single. Someone.
Kill it, dang.
Oh, 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 oh. I saw that little sneak over
Who
there.
got that one? Lyndon, you slide that one in?
Dude, that was all Lyndon. I saw that. Alright guys, well, the audio might sound weird. I broke my mic. But we're getting wrapped up here this afternoon. First day here with Thunderbird. We didn't really give an intro to the afternoon hunt because we didn't know how it was going to go. We really weren't even planning on hunting this afternoon. But then Hunter said he found some snows. And it was pretty good. As you saw, we had some absolutely insane groups do it. Some of the biggest snow wads I've ever seen this year for sure. It was crazy. But we're getting picked up right now. We'll get a pile set, show you what we shot, and get out of here. And yeah, it was a great day.
All right, so we went and ate, and we came out here. We had a baled field, and they're roosted right over here, and they were just kind of trading back and forth. So we set up really quick. Had a really good hide up here against these bales, and threw out our dive bomb snows. And I think we shot 75, something like that. And we had a couple really big spins that were awesome, and then shot a couple little groups or whatever. But we decoyed really well. It was a lot of fun. So heck of a day on the day. I think we shot like 100 snows and 50 ducks or something. So pretty awesome day. And then we got snow tomorrow. I think we're hunting ducks and hawkers in the morning. So yeah, hopefully we bang them again tomorrow.
Wrap this one up. It was kind of, I wouldn't say last minute, a little bit rushed. We were all sitting in the lodge and I was like, hey, you want to go snow goose hunting tonight? We're like, all right, let's do it. And ended up being freaking awesome. Some huge spins, probably like 4 or 5 just monster spins, doing it right up in the center. As you can see, we shot just a stack of them. Nick was on a whole other different vibe tonight, dude. He was cheesing the entire time.
Dude, you were.
Well, yeah, no, that was so awesome. Just buddy hunting with the boys, shooting snows, big spins, like classic, just amazing snow goose hunt. You can't beat it. We had a good north wind to our back. Man, that was freaking awesome. But we're gonna take our pile picture, clean up the spread, and get out of here, and we'll catch you guys on the next one.